Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, guys. Yeah. Today, we'll spend time on how to develop PL/SQL procedure and function in MySQL. Because I said na PL/SQL programming is different in different database softwares, guys. Right. PL/SQL programming in MySQL. PL/SQL programming in MySQL. Fine here. The syntax of PL/SQL programming is database software specific. Is definitely specific to database software. I hope you convinced with me, guys. Is not common for all database software. Is definitely specific to database software specific. Next. So MySQL PL/SQL programming, okay, does not have cursors. Does not have cursors. Close all editors. Callable test function test1. Why red color? Why red color? Okay, just clean. For comments also error is coming, na? Just clean the project once. Then errors will go off. Fine, yeah. Now I tell you, I have MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench here. MySQL workbench here, guys. NTAJ 114 DB1. NTAJ 114 DB1. Not that. Yeah, here we are having stored procedures. Create stored procedure. Let's take the requirement first. Do I have any tables with me? Yeah, we are having actors info. Oh, in actors info, unnecessarily lot of columns are there, guys. Blob and other stuff is there. Leave it. Job seeker info, resume and other stuff is there. Are all big things are there. Just a minute. Let us take small things only. We'll take a small table. First of all, I'll take a small table, guys. First of all, I'll take a small table. Product, PID, int, unique key, at next one, P name, varchar of 15, varchar of 15. Next, price. Price is what? Float. Price. Next, quantity. Quantity. Again, float. Quantity, float. Next, status. It is available in the stock or not? Available or not? Okay. Status varchar. Varchar of 10. Done, guys. Table is ready. Finish. Table is ready. Finish. Product here, guys. Now I would like to insert the record. Select to rows. Did I take auto increment for the columns? Did I take auto increment for the columns, guys? Yeah, auto increment is taken. Auto increment taken means you need not insert the value for that. Table price 20,000, quantity 10, status yes. Status yes, available. Status available. Okay. Chair, chair price 2000, quantity 5, status not available. Next, sofa price 50,000, quantity 20, status available. Apply, apply. What happened? Why it is not giving? Please show the logs. Yeah, I will tell. Size of the column, it seems. Okay, size of the column is the problem, it seems. What is the size I have taken, guys? Size I have taken for price 10. Let's make it 20. Apply. Okay. Finish. Yeah. Available. Available. Yeah. Now finish. No problem. Available. 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 Yes. Numbers are coming, guys. Not a issue. This is the table we are having. Now I would like to develop PL/SQL procedure, guys. I would like to develop PL/SQL procedure for it. Yes. See, logical database. Here is my stored procedure, create procedure, guys. Procedure name. Okay, here is giving new procedure kind of thing. But actually it should give me parameters addition also, na? Environment to add the parameters. Why it is not giving? Okay, no problem. Create or replace procedure name. Tell me, get to prod details by get to prod details by price range. Get to prod details by price range. Price range. Tell me. Here we have to give in parameters, guys. Get to prod details by price range. Oh, I think, okay, first I will give simple one, guys. Get prod details by ID. ID. Tell me. Here I think syntax is bit different, guys. First, mode of the parameter in, then name of the parameter. Name of the parameter. What is this? No or ID. ID. Okay. Then what is this? Int. Okay. Next. What you want to get, guys? I want to get total 3 results. Product name, price, quantity, status. 4 results. 4 results means I have to take 4 out parameters or not. Yes. Okay. What is this? Out, name, name varchar. Out name varchar. Next, out price. Okay. Price, rate float, rate size. Next, next one, out float. Here syntax is bit different. Quantity. How to write quantity in other angle? Quantity, volume, because out parameter names not matching na. Okay, volume float. Next, status. How to write status in one more wording, because I cannot match with the same wording, because out parameter name, column name should be different, then problem will not be there, right? Okay. Status, one more word. What? Mhm. Mhm. Stalker. No. State. That's right. I loved the word. State. State varchar. State varchar. Okay, guys. Now, no need of saving anywhere. Why it is giving error? Out varchar. It is expecting size, guys. 10. Okay. It is expecting size. Varchar of, so 15. Here also we will take 15. Here also we will take 15. Yes, begin. Tell me. Select. 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 P name, comma, price, comma, quantity, comma, status into name, comma, rate, comma, volume, comma. Tell me. Volume, comma. What is the next one, guys? Volume, comma, state. Volume, comma, state. Come on. From product where PID is equal to ID and semicolon. Yes, guys. Apply, automatically added. Delimiter, all the things will be automatically added, guys. Check it out. This is automatically added. I'm taking copy of this. Finish. Okay, guys. Yeah, changes applied. Technically, it is right. Syntactically, it is right. Okay, boss. Beautify the code and all this stuff. Right. See, boss, this will be added automatically. Don't worry. Delimiter dollar delimiter, this will be added automatically. This is same our logical database name. This is again this dropping the existing procedure. If at all there, it is dropping. This will be added as a decoration. Don't worry, this will be added automatically as decoration. Except that this is our actual procedure. Yes, is it okay for you? Only small difference is there in the syntax if you observe very carefully. What is the small difference? First mode of the parameter, then name of the parameter, then type. In Oracle, first name, then mode, then type. Small difference. Apart from that difference, nothing is there, right? Okay. So now tell me, boss, these are auto-generated by Workbench. These are auto-generated by Workbench, right? Auto-generated by Workbench. These are definitely auto-generated by Workbench. Is that clear, guys? Fine. Okay. Now I want to develop JDBC application for this. Write a JDBC application that calls PL/SQL procedure of MySQL to get product details based on the given product ID. Based on the given product ID. This is my requirement. Fine. Do I need to give procedure, guys? How to develop by using Workbench? I should give procedure. Huh? Right click, create procedure. You will get like this, apply. Should I give that? Or you are matured enough to write? I think you are matured enough to write, right? Okay. I'm not giving. Seriously, I'm not giving. I'm not interested to give also. Sorry. Okay. Now let's see. CS test one. I'll convert. I'll convert. See, I don't have patience to develop application from scratch level, guys. CS callable MySQL test. Callable MySQL test. Some five or six, whatever the number. Class name I'm changing, guys. Class name I'm changing. Okay. This code is there na? Yes, this code. I'll copy paste. Oh, it will be having only this code. Ah, ayo. No problem. I think I cannot copy paste this one. This one. Okay, we'll paste this one only. Fine, boss. Tell me. Call procedure. Call. What is the name of the procedure, guys? Get product details by ID. Call. Can you guess how many parameters I should take? You are telling, I am listening. Total how many parameters I should take? Count and tell me. Total how many parameters I should take? How to write, how to select lines, how to select line, regular control A, control mouse buttons, control plus shift plus forward slash for comment, backward slash for removing comments. Someone saying 3. What about others? 3 is wrong answer. What is wrong answer? How many question marks? 4. First of all, how many results we are getting, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out parameters. And are you passing any input value? Yes. So total how many? 4 out parameters, 1 in parameter. Total 5 na? Some people saying 4. It's the 5 ra babu. You have to give even per in parameters also. Don't forget that. Okay. Right. Tell me here, what should I ask? Product ID. Into ID is equal to 0. Enter product ID. Enter product ID. Tell me here, what is this? ID is equal to next int of. ID is equal to next int of. Establish the connection. Super. Create callable statement object. Super. Register out parameters with JDBC type. Total how many out parameters are there here? 4 are there. Now onwards, second onwards. Second one is what? P name. Check it out. Second one is P name. Rate. Quantity status. Okay. Types dot. Types dot varchar. Yeah, after that I'll go back. I'll go back. Yes, I have not changed drivers. I will change. Don't worry. Copy, paste, paste. 3 comma. Types dot. P name. Okay, float. Types dot float. Next 4 comma. Types dot float. CS dot register out parameter 5 comma. Types dot. What is that? Types dot. Types dot. What is this? Types dot again varchar. Okay, varchar. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Give me 1 minute. Okay, guys. Next, set values to in parameters. Set values to in parameters. Tell me, guys, what is this? 1 comma ID. Execute PL SQL procedure. Gather results from out parameters. Multiple statement, flower bracket. System dot out dot println. Come on. Product name. CS dot get int of get string of to product address. CS dot get string of 3. I think it's not address, guys. Next one is what? Product price. Price. Get float of 3. What is this? Get float of 3. Copy paste. Product quantity. Get float of 4. Next, product product status get string of get string of right. Catch CS not equal to null this, con not equal to null this, SC not equal to this. Everything is normal now, guys. See? Okay. So now I don't want to use Oracle. Right now my target database is MySQL. JDBC colon MySQL colon three slashes NTAJ 414DB. What is the username? Root. What is the password? Root. NTAJ 414DB. I think it's not 414, 114 dB. Let me check. NTAJ 114 dB. Yes, it is 114 dB. 1 also. 114 dB1. Nice. Done, guys. Everything is perfect. Right click, run on Java application. Enter product ID 3. Enter product ID 3. Parameter 2 is an out parameter. Yeah. Parameter 2 is an out parameter. That's why I'm registering. That's why. Oh, right. No. Product name right only, na. What's happening, guys? Parameter 2 is an out parameter. Yes, I'm registering. Get float varchar. No, it's giving different error, guys. Here, what is this? I think it got mismatched here. Floor bracket open, call. I think this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Syntax gone wrong, guys. Come here. Product ID 3. Yes, now it's coming. Table 20,000, 10 available. Suppose if product not there, data is not there, then you will get exception. One is not there. Okay, so here we are not getting any exception. MySQL is not giving exception. Null. See, it's up to this. Okay, Oracle has given exception, but this is not giving any exception, guys. Still, it is trying to give null values. Since not there, it is giving null values. Okay, na? Right. Fine. Okay, it's up to driver that we are using, guys. Next, product 4. Chair information is coming. Tell me, guys, is there any much difficult towards PL SQL programming in MySQL? Should I waste your time and my time? No. But I will give one example on cursor part also. I'll give one example. But there is no cursor. Then when you get bulk records, how to handle it, sir? So that's very interesting. Concentrate. Copy this. Okay. Example application. Fine. Now I would like to develop one more example, that is, I want to get product details based on the price range, guys. That means I may get one product, two product, three products, 10 products. But there are no cursors in MySQL, PL SQL programming. Yes, sir. Really, there is no cursor. Sure, sir. Yes. Okay, then how you handle it? Let's see. Write a JDBC application. Write a JDBC application that gives. Write a JDBC application that gives what? That gives that calls PL SQL procedure of MySQL giving product details based on the given price range. Based on the given price range. Price range. Range means start to end. Start to end range. File save as callable MySQL test7.java. Callable MySQL test7.java. Callable MySQL test7.java. But first of all, let me do this work here. Go here. I want to add one more procedure. Let me close all the things now. Right click, procedure. What is the procedure name? Get to prod details by. Get to prod details by price range. I'm going to get bunch of records. I'm going to give bunch of records. I'm going to get bunch of records. Yes, guys. Here we are having in start float, in end float, begin. An interesting thing is there are no cursors in PL SQL procedures, PL SQL programming. You just write query boss, automatically they will come. No cursors, no out parameter of type cursor is required. This is very interesting. Select PID, PName, price, quantity, okay, quantity status from product. Where price greater than or equal to start and price less than or equal to end. Greater than or equal to start and less than or equal to end. Copy this. Yes, guys. No cursors are required, guys. This is very, very important. No cursors are required to No cursors are required in MySQL PL SQL programming to hold bunch of records given by select SQL queries. Bunch of records given by select SQL queries. Not required. That's a real beauty, guys. Sure, sir. Yes. So no need of taking out parameter, no cursors are required. Just execute the query. By just supplying in parameter, execute the query, you will get the bunch of records. Sure, sir. Yes, really sure on it. Okay. Now let's see. File save as callable mysql test 8.java. Done. Remove this. Go for it. Copy. Apply. Finish. Apply. Finish. Yes. Say paste. 8 here. Okay, guys. What is this? Get product details by price range. Get product details by price range. How many in parameters here? 2 in parameters. That's it. How many in parameters, guys? 2 in parameters. Okay. Nice. System dot in. So I need to gather enter price range start. Price range start. Okay, guys. Float start is equal to float start is equal to sc dot next. Sc dot next int. Float end range is equal to start range end range. End is equal to sc dot next int. Next int next float next float. Next int next float. Float start is equal to 0, end is equal to 0. Enterprise start range, enterprise end range. Start is equal to next float, end is equal to next float. Right. MySQL connectivity. Nice, guys. Fine. Procedure. That's also cool. Okay. How many are there any out parameter to register? No. Set values to in parameters. Yes, we have two in parameters. Set to float of 1 comma start. Set to float of 2 comma end. Set to float of 1 comma start. Set to float of 2 comma end. Over. Execute. Nice. If CS not equal to null, 1 comma start 2 comma end. If CS not equal to null, okay. How you get, sir? How you get? Array, you execute the query automatically, you will get result set object and you have to call get result set method. If CS not equal to null, tell me. Result set RS is equal to, what is this? Result set CS dot get object of CS dot get object of array. There is no out parameter. Now then what I will pass, guys? What I will pass? What I will pass? I forgot. Huh? No, there is no out parameter. No. Get result. Get result. Get result. Is there any other method in the CS without expecting anything? Without expecting anything. Get object. Yes, there is a method called get result set. There is a method called get result set without expecting any argument. Okay, fine. We have taken that. Okay. Next, if RS not equal to null, then RS dot next, while RS dot next sys out RS dot get int of one space RS dot get string of two space. Okay, get to float of three. That is price. RS dot get float of four. RS dot get float of five. RS dot get float of five. Your number, your name, your price, your quantity, your what. Your status. Status is a string na get string of five. Fine, guys. This is end of while loop. This is end of if condition. This is if condition. But before that, I just want to take one variable. Boolean flag is equal to false. If while loop executed, flag is equal to true. If while loop is executed, flag is equal to true. If while loop is executed, then you have to say flag is equal to true. Yes, guys. After that, what next? If flag is equal to false, sys out, no records are found. Else, records are found and displayed. Records are found and displayed. Right now? Hey, anything great? This time, what is the method? Get result. Get result set. No cursor is required here to hold select query bulk or bulk records, guys. So you just place the query, automatically you will get the records and we have to convert into result set by calling this. Run on Java application. Enter price range. 10,000 is one starting, 20,000 is the second one. Oh, you have syntax error. That check manual corresponding your manual. Okay, right. I think call is missed, guys. One or other mistake every time you are doing in this line. Call is missed there. Price range 10,000, 20,000. Yes. Only one record is available match. Okay. 1,000, 20,000. Matching this, how many records are available? Two records are available. Easy, na? This is very interesting, guys. This is very interesting. No out parameters, na? The to select query is going to give bunch of records. You have to call get result set. cs dot get result set. Result set. I hope you convinced with me, guys. In mysql pl SQL procedure, if select query is there executing bunch of records and not storing into any out parameter, such result we can get as a result set object by calling cs dot get result set method. By simply calling cs dot, no cursors, nothing here, no cursors concept, nothing is here. Very very interesting or not there? Yes. Okay, guys. Enter start range 2, 3. No records found. Even this is happening or not happening. Copy this. Yeah, postgrade SQL also difference. You work out that, please. I don't want to spend my time here. You please work out that. Postgres SQL. Right. Now tell me, if the if the PL SQL procedure or function of MySQL, if the PL SQL procedure or function of MySQL, come on, MySQL, executing select SQL query and not and select query giving bunch of records and not storing them, come on, not storing them. See, guys, people are asking, sir, how to do all these things in PostgreSQL. Spend the time in the internet. One or other process you will get. Don't worry about. You should know how to use Google also. Please, getting my point? Yes. Don't think that you should know everything. You should have ability of searching in the internet and following that procedure. Come out of those school days. See, if you ask me when I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to internet, and you should have that ability. So just do one thing: you work out procedures, concept in PostgreSQL on your own, and not storing them in out parameters. Not storing them in out parameters. Then, then we can get. Uh, then we can get the we can get we can get bunch of records given by select query as result set object by calling cs dot get result set method as shown below. cs dot get result set method as shown below. That's it, guys. With this, I am keeping end for PL SQL programming of Oracle, PL SQL programming of MySQL. I think I have given nearly 7, 8 examples in all permutation and combinations. You try functions in MySQL on your own, PostgreSQL on your own. Why? Because you spend a lot of time on it and you can improvise based on that. Fine, na? Okay, tell me, though you are not aware of PL SQL programming basics, you are able to work on them or not? You are able to survive on them or not? Come on. This is interesting part that happened, guys. We are able to work on them. Now, I want to go for try with resource, guys. Try with resource. Syntax, yeah, okay. Syntax is try object open floor bracket, then closing floor bracket, catch catch exception object. Here some statements done. Okay, code that may raise exception. This is the syntax, guys. Given from Java 1.7, nothing but Java 7. Okay, Java 7. JDBC 4 supports. JDBC 4 is part of Java 8 or Java 1.7. Okay, JDBC 4 supports try with resource based JDBC objects. JDBC objects creation. JDBC objects opening and closing. JDBC objects opening and closing. NING. JDBC objects opening and closing. Right, guys? So this is given from Java 1.7, also called as Java 7. Also called as Java 7. So this is my try with resource concept. Listen, guys. Java 7 onwards, auto closable objects. Auto closable objects are introduced. Introduced. That means they will be closed automatically at the end of try. They will be closed automatically at the end of try if they are open. If they are open by using try with resource. If they are opened by using try with resource. Everyone understood my point here, guys? Right. Try with resource. Java 7 onwards, objects are auto closable objects are introduced. That means they will be closed automatically at the end of try if they are opened by using try with resource. In Java 7, all IO stream objects are auto closable objects. Auto closable objects. From Java 8 onwards, Java 8, nothing but JDBC 4 onwards. JDBC objects are given as auto closable objects. JDBC objects are given as auto closable objects from Java 8 onwards. Right. How to find out whether object is auto closable or not? If the class implements java.lang.io data. Wait. java.sql.connection docs. java.sql.connection docs. See this, guys? Connection extends auto closable. And implementing auto closable interface, these many classes, these many sub interfaces are there. There are not there. There are not there. Auto closable. Connection is auto closable. Okay. You take statement docs. Yes. Sir, it is also auto closable. What's the package name? Java.lang. Java.closable interface. If the class implement java.lang.auto closable interface, then the objects of that Java class are auto closable automatically. Then the objects of that class are auto closable automatically. Auto closable automatically. Fine, guys. So by using, by opening, or by creating auto closable objects in try with resource, in try with resource, in try with resource, by creating auto closable objects in try with resource, in try with resource. Tell me. Okay, we can avoid, writing finally block to close those objects, to close those objects. Are you sure, sir? Yes. Check it out. Example here. Try connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Here you write the code. Okay. Here you write the code. Try catch. Yes. SQL exception. Yes. Here JDBC connection object will be closed automatically. Will be closed automatically. There is no need of writing finally block. That's what I'm trying to say. I hope you convinced with me, guys. There is no need of writing finally block. That's a beauty, guys. That's a real beauty. But only the condition is we have to open that object in the try with resource. You must open that object in the try with resource. Okay. This is Java 8 code. Java 8 code. This variable must be there in try with resource. Now I am giving Java 9 code, guys. Java 9 code. Yes, you can take that variable outside also. Connection con is equal to null. Try con is equal to driver. Yeah, Java 9 onwards, this is allowed. Declaration of variable outside the try with resource allowed. Here not allowed. Here this con also should be there inside the try with resource. Driver manager dot get connection. Understanding my statement? This is Java 9 code. This is one extra improvisation they have done in compare to Java 8 and Java 9. Both places try with resource is there, but the extra improvisation they have done this one. Okay, you cannot declare. Here you cannot declare. You cannot declare. Come on. Okay, object, auto closable object outside the try, before the try with resource. Before try with resource. Try with resource. Before try with resource. Here we can declare auto closable object before try with resource. What is happening? Yes, guys. Now, yeah, I cannot talk much about it. Example I will give later. We cannot is missing a, oh, we cannot also. Yeah, I placed it. We cannot. Listen, auto closable, guys. What it says, a resource that must be closed when it is no longer required. Introduced from Java 7. But JDBC objects are supporting, most of the JDBC objects are supporting from Java 8 onwards. See, automatically closes this resource, relinquishing any underlying resources. That means releasing any underlying resources. Any underlying. While interface method is declared throws exception, interface strongly recommended close. Yeah, this one closes resource and this method is invoked automatically. Okay, on the objects managed by try with resources statement. Try with resources statement. Okay, boss. The close method of the close method that is implemented in auto closable objects. Auto closable objects by collecting from auto closable interface. The close method that is implemented in auto closable objects by collecting from auto closable interface. Come on. Auto closable interface will be invoked automatically. Automatically at the end of try with resources. Automatically. Okay, oh, I will write, I will copy paste. The close method closes the given resources, given resource, reliquy underlying resources. This method is invoked automatically once objects managed by try with resources statement. Okay, boss. Yes, guys, that's fine. So this is one more statement. So close method is called automatically. That's the reason we have a freedom to go for it. Yes. Right. Okay. How to work with this try with resource practically? How to write JDBC code by using try with resource? All these things I am going to speak in tomorrow's class. Everyone convinced, guys? I hope it is looking very interesting now. Try with resource is looking very interesting. Okay, tomorrow onwards. Okay, tomorrow onwards. Okay, I am going to tomorrow onwards. Come on, guys. I'm going to work with the try with resource a lot. I am going to deal with the try with resource a lot. Be mentally ready to work with the try with resource, guys. Fine. How many sessions left? I think 10, 12 sessions left. 10 to 12 sessions left, boss. Thank you. I hope you are practicing. Today we didn't learn much great, but we have seen with respect to JDBC, guys. And I have given basic idea about try with resource. Commit, staging mode, PLC, PLC equal in MySQL. Say commit, finish.